Hey everybody, Dan Sfera, www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Once again, that website is www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com, where we discuss clinical trials in plain English. A very important topic to discuss today is therapeutic misconception. That's therapeutic misconception. I'm going to have a guest guru comment on this later on in the week, and she'll make a video about it as far as cancer trials. But just as far as any clinical trial in general, and we've discussed this on our blog several times, but it's important to reiterate, reemphasize that clinical trials, no matter what you hear anywhere else, are not treatments. They are not designed to be treatments. They are experiments to collect data and to hopefully be able to have treatments in the future. Now, that does not mean that if you're seeking a better treatment, or you're not happy with your current treatment, that you should not consider a clinical trial. Because many times they happen to do provide treatments for people, especially for life-threatening illnesses like cancer, like diabetes, or like more chronic conditions like asthma or migraines or pain. Sometimes people are joining these studies because they're seeking better treatments. But with that being said, the purpose of a clinical trial is never to treat you or to provide you with a better treatment, but it's to conduct a study where they can collect enough data to where hopefully the study drug can be a treatment later in the future on the market for any doctor to prescribe to their patients. But for now, you may find that a clinical trial does provide you treatment, or you may get lucky and be assigned to the treatment arm. You may be unlucky and be assigned to the placebo arm of the clinical trial, which means you're not getting any drug. And like I said before, those are random. The doctors cannot control which treatment arm you will get, either the study drug or the placebo, or the study drug or the less desirable drug, as is the case in that New York Times article of the two brothers with cancer. One was randomly assigned to the study drug, the other randomly assigned to the less desirable chemo. So for people who join clinical trials to find better treatments, nothing wrong with that. Just know that clinical trials are not designed to be treatments. And there's something, if you ever hear someone advertising a clinical trial as free medical treatment, or, join this trial to see if this treatment may work for you, that's a very kind of underhanded way, even if they're not doing it on purpose. That's very misleading, and it's called therapeutic misconception. That's a common word in this industry. So just understand, there's nothing wrong with you seeking better treatments and looking for clinical trials as better treatments, because as we've seen before on our blog, sometimes clinical trials do save people's lives, save the study participants' lives from cancer, from very severe form of diabetes or anything else. Sometimes clinical trials will completely turn around a person's medical condition. But that doesn't mean you should go into a study expecting that. Go into a study expecting nothing but being in an experiment where hopefully you're helping people in the future. And who knows, maybe you'll be able to help yourself by finding a better treatment. But to go into a study expecting to find a better treatment, or expecting to get enrolled into the miracle treatment phase of the clinical trial, or the miracle drug of the clinical trial, is wrong. And if anyone's telling you that you should join a study in order to find better treatments, and it's sounding too good to be true, it probably is. You need to do your homework. Email myself, email Don, ask us for our opinions, and we'll tell you. Therapeutic misconception. Clinical trials are not designed to be treatments. Some people do benefit from them, but it's not what clinical trials were designed to do. Hope this helps clear it up. www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Thanks a lot.